Okay, I gotta check this soup. All right. Yep, that's ready to go. Okay, service time's coming up. Let me see if my pans will work. I just never know how much these pans will hold. Oh, I'll try the small one first. I think that's gonna work. Oh no, oh my gosh, that's not gonna work. And we've got to serve in 2 minutes.
The school kitchen is stocked with a variety of pots and pans for cooking and serving. Making the best selection should be determined long before serving time and written on your standardized recipe. Serving pans are called steam table pans or hotel pans, and they come in a variety of standard dimensions and materials such as stainless steel or plastic. Often, black merchandising pans are used to improve the look of the food. You may think the bigger the better, but some foods lose quality fast in a deep pan. Always hold vegetables in a 2-inch deep pan so they don't stay on the serving line too long and overcook or get mushy. Steam table pan capacity can be found on the Basics at a Glance chart. For example, a 2-inch pan will hold up to 2 gallons of liquid. Perforated steam table pans are designed to cook food faster as the holes allow for the steam to reach the product. Sheet pans are available to cook foods from cornbread to hamburgers to roasted vegetables. Pan release spray or parchment paper may be used to speed cleanup. Sheet pans may be perforated. These are ideal for maintaining crispiness of breaded meats, pizza crust, and potato products. Remember to spray with pan release and never use parchment paper as it will retain moisture. As part of planning for the day, consider how foods will be panned and placed on the serving line. Making last-minute decisions could result in wrong utensils, food safety violations, or slow service. This way, everyone knows exactly what to do, which utensil to use, and any food safety or special instructions to provide the best customer service experience.